Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your body to slim on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and then add the video that you want to edit. And after this, if you wanna make your body to slim, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the clip, and then at the bottom you can click on the end change. This one, click on it, and after this, in here you can click on the body, then click on the slim. Okay, and after this, in here you can set your body with swipe left or right this icon like this. And after this, in here you can click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to edit your body to slim on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.